Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back to do an unboxing video. So here's Blue's Clues.
The mail's here! Come on! Bye, guys. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. When it comes, I want to wail.
So I'm here to unbox. And this is an Amazon unboxing video. Wait. So I'm doing an unboxing, and the first thing I'm going to unbox is this automatic smart car mount. And this is an Amazon unboxing video. Video is sponsored by the company that I will be linking down below. So they contacted me asking me to do an unboxing video. They saw that I was an Amazon reviewer, so they've been contacting me a lot lately. So I took out the contents of the box, and first thing I pull out is, don't want to rip the stuff because just in case it don't work, I can send it back. Okay, so you got a little nut thingy, the USB, I guess that's to charge it. And this is the thing to put it in your car. This piece. And you also get little card thingies. It says lifetime unlimited refund guaranteed, and I got a little gift card. I'm gonna be using it. So here's the little manual thingy that you receive. Trying not to make this video so long. And this is the actual mount thingy. Trying to open it carefully because you want to make sure everything works, or you can send it back. So it looks like it takes batteries. This is pretty cool. I never seen a mount that takes batteries. So currently I don't have a car right now, but I might keep this one so that I will be getting a car in 2020. That's my goal. I will be getting a car. So this is the thingy. I have to try to figure out how all of this works. So, oh, it just slipped right in. So this piece, I don't know what it's called. So you would probably take it and put it here, but I believe this goes on first somehow. Okay, so you put that in, and then, oh, this does, I don't know. Okay, put that on first, then you put the nut thing and you tighten it so it'll stay. This part you put in the vent where you have your air conditioner. The vent that comes out, you stick this in there. Of course, your phone goes on here. It will be like this because this is kind of small. My phone is kind of big, so. And then this will go inside. You see that? This will go in there. So when you put the batteries in, of course, this is how you're gonna charge it. so that you can have hands-free when you're driving, which is safe. You're not supposed to be on your phone when you're driving. And let's get into this manual smart touch button on both sides. One hand operation, touch to open, the 2 arms, LED indicator. Oh, so does that mean it lights up? Oh, this is the product features. Standby mode, indicator, light off. Yeah, it lights up. So when touch the button to operate the product, the green indicator light on, the product power supply, it is recommended to use a AAA battery 2 or use type C cable. Basically shows you how to put everything together. And then it has the product operation guide. And this is what it looks like. Your phone goes inside here. That's if you have a small phone. I have a big phone. So this is what it'll look like when you actually put it in your car. It goes on the dashboard. So you put it on the dashboard, and this is what the other part looks like. So I'm just basically showing you the box and the contents in it. I'm so nosy. And then the next product I have, this is a Bluetooth. Gonna open it. I'm gonna get this to my son for Christmas. So I'm opening it. I like the way they wrapped everything up. It's pretty nice. And on the front of the box, it says dreams come true, ZT Digital. And on the back of the box, you see all of this. Most of the wording is in Chinese because it's from China. The box is pretty nice. I'm trying to open it. Now everybody in my house is gonna fight over this because my husband has a pair similar to this and only one of his ears on his thing work. So he's gonna be like, man, I wanted that. Okay, so after you open the box, you open it and you see this. This is a Bluetooth. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna put it right back in there the way it goes. So this is what it looks like. It's gray, and they specifically wanted me to review the gray one. I was gonna pick the red one, and if I did pick the red one, since it's my favorite color, I would have been keeping it for myself. But I don't really like gray, so. Okay, so this goes around your neck, and then you would take them and you will put them in your ear like that. And then let's see what else is in the box. Oh, it comes with a little pleather kind of baggie to hold it in. Good thing I didn't just throw this thing down. Okay, so this is a card that I don't know. Oh, it has warranty, free return or exchange. And then it has a little baggie here that I'm opening. They give you extra little earbud thingies. You get the USB that you would use to charge it. I don't know what this is, but you get this too. And more earbuds. So I guess it depends on what size your ear is, because some people have big ear holes, some people have little ones. I don't know. And then it comes with this little pamphlet. Show you the English side. It just shows you, like, I can't read Chinese, but it just has a whole bunch of like wording on it. And then what is really cute is they give you a little baggie. Like, this is really, really cute. So we'll put everything back in the baggie because this is going under the Christmas tree. This is last minute gifts that you can pick up. And I really like the packaging. The packaging is really, really cute. So I give this 5 stars automatically. You get 5 stars because packaging is really, really cute. And I'm putting it back in the thing. And give me a second because I'll be right back. I'm gonna make sure I put everything back in properly, because if this is going to be a gift, you want to make sure that you put it back. And this is really, really nice. So what I want to do is put it back in the box properly. This packaging is so cool. Like, they put thought into this. Like, I never seen packaging for no Bluetooth like this. And it comes with a little like baggie. Like, that's super cool. Like, since I know that my husband like wants something like this, I might just give it to him. I'm not sure. So everybody will have a gift under the tree except for me. I'm trying to get it out the bottom box, and it's like a tug of war. So a lot of companies been hitting me up, like Christmas gift ideas that you can like give to your family or keep yourself. This is pretty cool. This is nice. So yeah, pretty much ripped it open. So I'm not giving anybody else these, but I'm gonna take a picture for the thumbnail because I gotta upload it on Amazon. So I'm gonna close this box for another thumbnail. I'll take this side. And it came with a gift card, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna be using that. So that concludes today's video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the family. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Man, y'all be killing me like y'all be brand new when y'all see.
I like to see something.
I just saw my teacher from elementary school. Wow. It's been so long since I seen her.